farms around the world. They're very close to the ocean. You will find some of the trees inland, but the majority of the trees you will find on the beach. Like you will see huge clusters of them all over the beach. Right? So because they're so close to the ocean, they have access to minerals that is in the ocean that the almond inland does not have access to.
Let them try
So,
some of the oil. I didn't give them any.
oh, I'm sorry. So
Sorry.
the oil is very light, easy to apply, and it will not clog your pores. Okay? The back here. It's wonderful for any kind of dry skin, any itchy skin.
Can you put it on your face?
Oh, absolutely. Look, you can do more than that. Look, the almond, you can eat.
This is my favorite part.
I cold press the oil, so I add no heat.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
So how it's done in California?
I don't know how it's done with
So once I
California.
press, I filter out to get out the little pieces of almonds.
Yeah.
Once I get those out, I bottle cap, label, and seal.
What do you do with the fibers part?
The
then?
pressed cake, I used to make flour with it. In Jamaica, I give it as chicken feed and turkey feed because my dad raised turkeys. I also make a fertilizer from it. And
Oh.
time to time, I do make flour from it that I use back. It's gluten-free flour.